Hey, what's going on guys? This is Angela from Chewy. Today we're going to be taking a look at one of the best budget Android tablet of 2022. It's HipadMax. One of the best things about this tablet is using Wi-Fi level 1, so you can get HD content on all of your video stream apps like Netflix, Disney, Hulu, HBO, and Amazon Prime Videos. It has 10.36-inch IPS touchscreen with 2K resolution. As you can see, the color is pretty bright thanks to 400 nits of brightness and 1 billion colors. You can get high-quality pictures. Plus, we have 4 ultra-large Amplitude speakers, which means you can get immersive experience when you watch movies. Just imagine you're lying on couch with your HipadMax and it playing your favorite movie. It's a really great experience no matter at home or at a coffee shop. I have tested indoors and coffee shop. Both the pictures and sound quality are pretty good, and I will show you guys later.
Like really good. It's gonna get so many likes. How do I keep topping myself? Every day I just get better. Look at this, Ava, look.
The screen-to-body ratio is 18:4% and the bezels are only 7mm wide. And the touchscreen is really responsive. That's pretty nice. When it comes to the material of HipadMax, it's different from other tablets. It's made of plastic with brush texture because we want to make this tablet as light as possible. It's the lightest tablet of Chewy until now, only 414 grams. I just got a feedback from one of our customers and he told me that we should promote this feature more on our social media because he thinks it's really easy to carry out. You don't have to worry about it will be burden in backpack when you go out. On the side, we have power button and value button here. Move on. We have a SIM card slot, so you can put your phone card inside to make calls. We also provided a small pin that comes with a package to help you get the slot out. HipadMax supports TDD IET and FDD LTE dual 4G networks, which means you can enjoy a great and quick network experience. On the bottom, we have Type-C port and it supports quick charging. For the camera, the front is 5 megapixel and the rear is 8 megapixel. I believe it's totally enough for your family video or video meeting with your colleagues. HipadMax powered by quad-core Snapdragon 618 processor with 8 active cores. The main frequency can be up to 2.4 GHz. This processor scored 218,000 on Antutu bench. We have tested performance on running games. It actually does pretty decent job on Genshin Impact and the PUBG Mobile. It also has 8GB LPDDR4 and 128GB UFS grant storage. You don't have to worry about the loading time when you running multiple tasks. It can be expanded to 512GB through IT card slot. I know many people care about the battery because nobody wants to carry a bulk rechargeable battery when you're outside. HipadMax comes with a 7,000 mAh battery. For web browsing, you can expand around 7 to 8 hours of battery life. For video playback, you can expand 5 to 6 hours of battery life. If you want to run some games on this device, it really depends. You know, there's so many different kind of video out there, alright? Anyway, it's totally enough for your basic needs for all day. The most important thing is that it supports quick charging, so that's cool. For assistant, we have installed the latest Android 12, so you can access to Google Play right out of the box. That's great. Okay, that's all for HipadMax. If you are interested in this device, please check out the link down below. If you have any questions about HipadMax, please let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye!